Hi everyone, my name is Kangs from Kangs Photography. I want to review this lens, which is 70 to 300, and everything I will review it's based on my own experience. I have used this lens for a period of time, so from what I've gone through or what I've learned from this lens, my own experience, maybe it will help you to decide whether you need this lens or you don't need it, or you're going to go for another lens. I'll just give my own personal opinion on the review. So let's get into it and see what it have. As we said, let's have a look at this lens, and I'll start with the build quality of the lens. It's very light plastic, and you can feel it's not expensive lens, it's a budget lens, so it's very light and it's not smooth when you're zooming in and out. It will get stuck every now and then. And as you can see, this lens doesn't have an inbuilt motor, so your camera need to have an inbuilt motor. So for example, this is my D7200. If your camera don't have this thing here, it's look like a screw, I will not recommend this lens for you. If your camera body don't have this thing, you can remove your lens and check. If it doesn't have this one, please, you might buy it if you are good in manual focus, but autofocus will not work on this lens if your camera don't have this, because this connects with this. You see, it's like a flat screw. This goes to here, and the motor inside the camera drives the focus. So if your camera doesn't have it, please just avoid buying this lens, or if you can buy it, just buy it and knowing that you'll be using a manual focus every now and then. So the other thing is the lens. I must say, I took a number of pictures with it. It's have very good colors. The colors are excellent. They are very good colors, but the images are not sharp, especially when you zoom to 300. The images are very soft and they are not sharp at all. Anyway, it's expected for the price of this lens. It's okay for such quality, and you can do a lot with it, and it's a nice lens. I started up with it with my Nikon D3100 when I was starting, and it helped me a lot because Nikon D3100 and this lens, I was only on manual focus, and that helped me to learn how to do or to work with manual focus. So that's it for this lens. Not much. The price is very low. No autofocus for camera without the inbuilt motors. So just decide, and you see what it can do for you. So in case I missed something or I made a mistake, just let me know on the comment section, and I will appreciate